Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Connect Power Apps to SharePoint lists, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Power Apps website. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Create option in the left-hand menu. Select Canvas app from blank to start a new application. Give your app a name and choose the layout you prefer, either phone or tablet. Click Create to enter the app design environment. On the left sidebar, locate the Data Sources option and click on it. Next, select the +Add Data button to begin connecting to SharePoint. In the search bar, type SharePoint and select the SharePoint connector that appears. You will be prompted to provide the URL of your SharePoint site. Enter the full URL of the SharePoint site that contains the lists you want to connect. Click Connect to authenticate your access to that site. After connecting, a list of available SharePoint lists will be displayed. Choose the SharePoint list you want to integrate into your Power App. Click the Connect button next to the selected list. You will now see the list added to your data sources within the Power Apps interface. To use this data in your app, drag and drop a control, such as a gallery or form, onto your canvas. With the control selected, go to the right side Properties panel and locate the Items field. Set the Items property to the name of your connected SharePoint list. This will link the control to your SharePoint data. You can customize the layout and design to display the data in a user-friendly format. To test your app, click on the Play button located in the top right corner. This will allow you to interact with your app and see the SharePoint data in action. Once you are satisfied, save your app by clicking on the file icon and selecting Save. Finally, publish your app by going to the File menu and selecting Publish. You have now successfully connected Power Apps to SharePoint lists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.